Hi, and welcome to this quick guide on how to use our exclusive 3D gate visualization app. It's an excellent tool to demonstrate the different models to your client and add a personal touch to your quotation. So first up, we're going to download the Portaliers 3D app from the App Store on iPhone or from the Google Play Store on Android. Once downloaded, we're going to open up the app and in landscape mode, enter your username and password. We will give these to all of our approved partners. Once you've logged in, you will see a selection of collections to choose from. For this demonstration, we'll select the Contemporary collection. This collection features lots of different shapes and models for the customer to choose from. Let's go with Ceram. From here, you can remove the pillars if there's already some in place and select a colour that the customer would like. Now, let's get ready to scan the ground. On the left hand side of the screen, we're going to press the augmented reality button or the eye icon. This will display the camera. After you've granted access in the permissions, you should be able to see the camera view. Now, let's start to scan the ground and the app will highlight in blue the location where you want the gate to be placed. Once it's scanned, get ready to place the gate. Bearing in mind, where you tap will be the center point of the gate. Now, step back and the gate should reveal itself. Now we can adjust the size of the gate by pinching with 2 fingers and rotating the gate, scrolling left to right. Once you're happy that the gate is in the right position, you can change the model and the colour at the client's request. Now we're going to take a screenshot by pressing the camera at the top right of the screen. Also, if you want to come back to this later, you can take a picture and import it into the app at another time. If you really want to give a personal touch for the client, you can drop the proposed gate images onto the top of your quotations. This means your client has a personalised quote with the model and colour that they want. Thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to know more information, or you'd like to know about becoming a Horizon approved partner, please don't hesitate to get in touch.